Come on. Yeah. Do this. Good morning. So, nandito na tayo. And, yan. Tayo pala yung nakapark ng 4 wheels. Masyado tayo maaga, but it's okay. If you start early, you'll finish early. See ya. For the keys. Just watches. Interval timer and for Strava. Cup for TikTok. From TikTok, sorry. Towel for sipon. Let's go! The training for today will be intervals. So, naset ko na yung timer ko kanina. Ayan. So, we're going to have 1 minute walk, 2 minutes run. Sabi ni Joyce should be 6 cycles, but I made it 8 just to give extra effort. So start tayo ngayon ng 1 minute walk. See you later. So we're halfway through our 2 minutes walk. 2 minutes run and 1 minute walk interval training. Halfway. We're down. Last 4. Woo. My last 2 minutes. Let's go. 1 minute na lang. Woo. Let's go, Ella. Let's go. Let's go, Ella. Let's go. Let's go. I'm done. Thank you, Lord, for strength. I rather watch at first light. Sarap. That's a view. Made it. Intervals complete. I'm so happy.